Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Mario Mello and this is my first ever video. Today I'm going to be playing a Gmod Scaries map. It's called Hell's Resort. Okay, so the story is you and your friends are on a trip and your car engine stops. You go to a resort for shelter. The doors are locked behind you and now you must escape. Your mission is to escape the resort. The first objective is to break 5 crosses and then to escape from the resort. Okay, do not no clip unless you're stuck. Use crowbar and flashlight only. Okay, I got this. Got this, guys. Oh, gosh. That was creepy. Oh, so storage. We'll go here first, so there's a storage symbol. Oh God! God! What the heck? God dang. Was there anything interesting in here? Well, I got a big wood knife now. Come at me, guys. Okay. Things okay. Oh, jeez. Screw you. Okay, oh, what's this? The heck? Huh? What the heck? Door can go both ways. Oh, there's another door. What the heck? Was that something? Yeah, I think it was. Anything interesting? Nope. Ooh, another room. Oh, the heck? Ooh, someone has a stomach ache. Is there anything special in here? Behind the door? No. Okay, let's move on. This room. When life gives you lemons, guys. Lemons. Die radio. I don't like your music. Oh, yep, that's not creepy at all. Oh, great. Ooh, I almost died, I bet. Interesting. I'm leaving. Let's check that room, check that room. I checked that room too. Is that a pocket knife? Something? Oh, no, what is that? We're just gonna call it a pocket knife because it looked like one when you were looking through the door. Great. Hey, another door. Oh boy. Ooh, okay. Bruh, don't sneak up on me like that. Bruh. Okay, nothing there. Another door. And there starts the nightmares. Oh, God, that was creepy as heck. Okay. Oh god, what's gonna happen here? So please, someone get that guy some soda for his stomach. Must be really hurting him. Okay, that was really creepy. So, I see the devil's flower thing. What about it? What does that mean? I don't know. Wait, I didn't check the stalls. Crap. Oh, hey. Oh, we're here already. Okay, we'll find something else. Oh gosh, did anyone else see that, dude? That was creepy. How do I get in there? I open it? Anywhere? Oh, here's that. Is that correct? Let me in. Come on. I just want to go in. Okay, so it's obviously not letting me in because I don't know the passcode. Wait, that must be the... Yeah. It's a flower thing. So now I just need the passcode. I don't know. What are these? I really don't know what the passcode would be. Bit clueless. No. Oh, let's go check the other places. See if there's anything special there. I've been down here. Oh. Where are these rooms? What the heck? Oh, jeez, that was a Teddy Crawley, dude. This room. Oh, God. Bro. Okay. That's not weird. Stay with me. I'm giving you life, sir. Be grateful. Oh, I think I'm just making it worse. Are you okay? Can you speak? Obviously not. Okay, other junk. Gone through that a bunch of times. I have no idea where to go, honestly. Oh. 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 Oh, hey. I don't know, was that like 2 or 3? I wasn't paying attention really. Okay. Nice blades. Is there anything interesting that can help me get through get the passcode to that. Oh. Need to find the passcode. Well, that's not working. Okay, that face was really creepy when it just spawned right there. Oh, come on, that has to do something with this. Is it like that? I don't know. I'll try that. Yeah? No? Maybe? Oh, come on. Come on. Well, this is probably as far as I'm going to get for now. So, I'll make a part 2 to this Gmod scary map. Thank you for watching my first video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe to become a Mallow today. Thank you.